I'm Bryan Schneider with MidHudson Injury Law, reporting on a new development in the widening legal battle between AI and law enforcement in this instance. The Florida Attorney General's office just recently announced that they are launching a criminal investigation into ChatGPT and its parent company, which is OpenAI, over claims that an accused gunman who was involved in a mass shooting at Florida State last year consulted with AI about all sorts of topics that led him presumably to kill a couple of people. The accused gunman is allegedly to have consulted with AI to determine the best gun he should use, which ammunition complemented the gun, and the best times to go to campus to encounter the most people possible, presumably to inflict the most damage that he could. The Florida Attorney General announced that his rationale for opening this investigation, and again, this is just an investigation, no criminal charges have been filed against anybody for this yet, is a quote. This is a direct quote from the Florida AG. If it was a person on the other end of that screen, we would be charging them with murder. We cannot have AI bots that are advising people on how to kill others, end quote. That's pretty damning. So again, they haven't released, at least from what I saw, the actual verbatim exchanges between the accused gunman and his chatbot or his AI chatbot here. But clearly there must have been something rather inflammatory going back and forth between them to lead the Florida AG to take this response. What are they doing exactly? They're issuing subpoenas to the OpenAI company. They're seeking to get information about its internal training and how it deals with user threats of harm and even how it cooperates with law enforcement when these situations arise. The Florida AG openly admitted that this is uncharted territory. So much like we've discussed in some of these other cases involving the social media trial in California and the Gemini AI chatbot wrongful death case in Florida, we're now wading into yet new waters about how law enforcement is going to deal with potentially prosecuting AI companies when they have these type of involvement with alleged killers. Naturally, as you would expect, the OpenAI response to the AG inquiry was fairly predictable. They're citing, of course, that AI is a general purpose tool used every day by millions and millions of people for legitimate purposes, and that they're taking every step they can to strengthen their safeguards, striving to limit misuse, etc. Listen, I would expect nothing less from them. And I would also give them the benefit of the doubt that no one at these AI companies actually wants to be party in any way, shape, or form to people who go out and kill and maim others. Nonetheless, this is a new front line that is being opened by the legal system to put another check on the ever-growing influence of AI and their just general dominance now in people using them for search purposes. I'll continue to report on any new developments as they occur. This is clearly something that's going to continue to evolve and continue to affect us all moving forward.